Thina wa giko na wagi wa mitaro ya kuigana ya guthereria maai ma giko thini wa kaunti ya Naikuru wahota guthira kaimana agikorwo mubango uria wekiranirwo gatagati ga thirikari ya kaunti ino na bengi imwe kuma bururi-ini wa Geremani ni ugukinyanira.
Our focus for the next 5 years will be water and sewerage infrastructure development. We've heard of Itare Dam. It's key to achieving the infrastructural development in terms of water.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa kampuni ya maai no theru thini wa kaunti ya Naikuru ni NAWASCO James Ng'ang'a kwa idariri ni mareketie kumurika icigo ngurani kuria tabarira ino igukorwo igitwarithirio na mbere.
Sewer coverage in this country is on average for the big town like Nairobi about 40%. So if we hit 60 and above, we'll be the top in terms of sewerage.
Ng'ang'a ugite mubango uyu gukorwo kihuthira mbirioni 6 na ndugukorwo giteithia kweheria giko tu no nginyagia gutambia maai matheru kuri muingi wa kaunti ino akiuga na aria maikaraga icagi-ini matigukorwo magitigwo na thutha.
Project of about 6 billion shillings that will extend the sewer network from the current 27% to over 60%. That will be a first in this country.
Nake minister wa maai thini wa kaunti ya Naikuru Ng'eno augite ino no imwe ya tabarira nyingi iri gukorwo igitwarithio na mbere thini wa mehaririria ma kwambatiria ikiro gwa kaunti ino.
Sanitation strategy is coming very well. The live one we launch in March. The Nakuru county-wide inclusive sanitation strategy models that most counties are coming to learn from us and most partners are coming.
Tabarira ino igukorwo iri ya mwanya makiria kuona gutire kaunti ingi iri yagira mubango ta uyu wa utheru.